Hey, what's up YouTube fam? Brandon Weaver here once again. All right, we're talking about people getting up into the 700 credit scores again in the 700 club. We got somebody who's getting these negative nasty items off getting up to 700 club. And what can you do? Should you send your second round? Do you send your disputes in? Do you send your collection validation letters? Do you send your complaints? Let's get into it right now, all right? So, hello Brandon and team. This is an email here, so feel free to email me. Hello Brandon and team. Experian finally giving up. Experian gave a little pushback. You know, some of the other bureaus will knock things off a little bit quicker sometimes. Another bureau will take a little bit of time, whatnot. But Experian, this individual stayed with the plan. Experian deleted all the negative items. Negative items deleted from Experian. Credit score is now 723. Attached a letter from Experian showing such proof, all right? Now, I don't want to put everybody's pertinent details on there because if you know the credit reports, they've got the personal private information. However, this person was able to do it. 609creditrepair.com. You can do this for yourself, get the Beyond Committed package, or we can do the work for you at the Awesome Life group. Yeah, absolutely. So you can get to the other side. Now, this individual is going through the process. This next individual is going through the process and they want to know, hey, what do I do? Let's get into this, okay? Sent out the first round of letters to the bureaus for a collection of repossession, okay? They responded, quote unquote, it was verified, okay, but showed no proof. They showed no proof. What do I do now? Do I send round two? What are my chances of getting this item deleted, okay? You can get this unverified item with no proof, no verification, potentially deleted from your report, okay? This collection can come off your report. Just like this individual is saying, hey, Experian finally deleted everything. They gave up, they couldn't handle it anymore. I went through a few rounds of letters. My credit score is now 723. This individual, yes, send round two. Don't let them push back on you. Don't let them violate your rights under the Fair Credit Reporting Act, Fair Debt Collection Practices Act. Send round two. Send your collection validation letters. You can do this for yourself. 609creditrepair.com. We can do the work for you at the Awesome Life group. Jump on thesubscribetribe.com. It's a great supplement to these websites. Thesubscribetribe.com, because you will get the times, the dates, and when I go live. And a lot of times I'm telling you what we're talking about on Saturdays, and you can get your questions answered with me. You can put in the comments below your questions. You can email me your questions. I will get to your questions just like I am with these individuals. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and until I see you in person, I will see you on the other side. Take care.